Pascal. You just come and carry big belly, they dance up and down, they dance up and down. Come and do DNA. Come and do DNA. I will come up and swear for you. On Tuesday, you're quiet. Pascal, continue. I don't know who tell Pascal to drop that in first song. As Pascal drop him, Monday morning, she go again. Pascal! You just be singing up and down, singing up and down. Your son is here, he cannot sing anything for you. Carry belly like your belly, go in tobudum, tobudum. Come and do DNA.
FunnyBone live.
Thank you. Thank you. Please sit down, please sit down, please sit down. I saw this hype for small me. When I glow, she'll, am I wicked? Why you hyping me like this? Abuja, please, this hype senior me, right? This hype is not for me. It's not for a comedian. It's for who don't deliver Nigeria. And yet, we're not yet delivered. So I will go back. Give me the normal ovation. Number one, man. Give me my mate. Don't stand. Just make some noise. No man, Shehu. This Shehu. The only man for Nigeria where they set full governor up. Now this boy. This Shehu. Wicked, they win any verbal debate. Now this boy, humble wicked. Even though. Even though, wait, even though. Now this boy. Why took score you to call me? I'm a young boy, I'm still growing. But can we give him a round of applause? Yeah? We need more journalists like this, more anchors like this guy. Very forward. You know the fear them. They just set you up. So, you are rich. You will laugh. Yes. Where's the money from? You're going to see a person father there. Even though. Show, nice. And I know I'm like 6 years ago. Now a guy for Lagos. Now a guy, you. But you see, purpose, you don't find waiting God say make him do. See, I'm now big boy. Life, time, and purpose. Obi Kubana, time. Where? And purpose. Life, not time, and purpose. Deji, time. And small, very dark man. Come on. Nigerians, let me address this for the first time as a comedian. I'm not a politician. I do not benefit directly from politics. But truth, not the key person. You can support your candidate without hating or cursing on the other side. Because for each time you curse a person from the other side, you lose a follower for your candidates. So let us relax. All of us get right here to vote who won't vote. Now they suffer after the vote. No get right. Should be a day my own. When I say when I want are we not here now? Are we not? It's your choice. Because each time you hate, you lose winning. You know, see, American election, they count the thing. The polls, they climb. You see, say for Texas, Trump vote, they climb. For New York, about my wife owned the drop. Nigeria, if you check polls, insults, they climb. I mean, come on, let's, I don't want to point them so that I don't quote me. But let us stop the hate across board. Support who you want to support. After 4 years, how can they wear polo? Vote anybody. Nobody's country. He will touch us. So they will call me back now as a comedian. I will call myself. Mona had to say, see who won't make una laugh. See, listen, country hard. I'm here to help all of you. I'm serious, because if you go now, you don't laugh. On Monday, fuel. From January, if you buy fuel, you pay tax 500. Are you aware? Better laugh. Laugh. Madam, laugh. Oh, your husband? Oh, yeah. You came. Where you from? Spain. Spain here. Do you know Yamal? Lamin Yamal. Yamal boy. Yamal. Lamin Yamal. You know him? Yeah, he's from here. The father across. John Spain. If you never know, how long have you been here? 5 years. That's nice. Where are you from Spain? Where? Sir? Is it Valencia or Valencia? Okay, it's bad. The visa is Valencia. Valencia. Nigeria here is Valencia. I was in Canada, to see my family. It's weird. Toronto. Toronto. What do you mean? They tell me say, not Toronto. I say, eh? Toronto. Ottawa. Ottawa. What is that? They say no be Ottawa. Say na Ottawa. Calgary. Calgary. Ndị Igbo, kedu ya na akpọ ya? They say it's Calgary. So imagine now say Kaduna now, where I know where they born me. Kaduna. Kaduna. Person can say is Kaduna. You go lost. So I will go back and I bring myself up again in a comedic way. Shehu, thank you. Thank you. I love you, but I'm a comedian. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Lagos, married with one pikin. Abuja, make some noise for the one and only FunnyBone. More like it. More like it. More like it. Thank you for coming. Abuja, I wanted to give you guys an experience. A show that will start like a movie and end like, you know how films end. So far, are we having fun? Are we having fun so far? First, I want to applaud all of you. Abuja has been like the busiest state for comedy shows this year ever. This year alone, we've done over 24 shows in this hall. And thank you guys for always coming out to support. I beg more clap for myself. Thank you so much, Abuja. Thank you. Yeah. It is weird, but fact. Oga, who are you? What do you do? You're a cameraman? Yeah. Camera behind. They paid. Yeah. Regular, I want to apologize. Chooks don't they cuss on her since they insult on her. No. I love you guys. You tire? Try and make them. Me self tire for you. I want to just help you now. You don't say you tire, oh. And that is a poor man line. I tire, oh. This man can say, I'm tired. You hear, oh my God, FunnyBone, I'm fatigued. You're shouting, I'm tired, oh, I'm tired. Oh. Why are you tired? Oh? Come on. Now the truth is, now on our laughter, they make comedy shows sweet. But now their money, make us do the business. So, regular, you are valued. You're loved. Now, see the trick. They laugh when they laugh. And on a laugh, it's different. Oh, no be laugh. But AC. AC. Space. You know, say how you go laugh. Fall for person body. You go take slap. Come back to where you did. But madam can laugh now, fall on Oga, nothing will happen. Because it's allowed. Yeah, but trust me, you guys are the reason why shows sweet. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Regular, thank you. Yeah, thank you. VIP. You guys are the real MVPs. On a day that see una see success, on a day touch success. On a go laugh. Touch success. You will be successful in Jesus' name. Table. Marketing this show was difficult. It was hard, and I understand. For those who I can't meet, who pick my call once, pay me full money, God bless you. They know the club, they know themselves. For those who I meet, we say, meet me in the club. Me, when do they drink? Somebody here, hire me 4 days. Yet, you no pay full money. My God will judge you. For getting me drunk, innocent boy like me. When you take alcohol, I drank alcohol for your sake, for table. Yet, you no pay me full. I'm seeing you, you're seeing me. You know yourself. You will get drunk in your dream. Now, guys, I love women. I feel like women make the world go round. Oh, yes, my mom is a woman. Yeah, and I love my mom so much. So I'll tell you guys for free. Women, trick. If you want to marry a man will love him mama. Because any man will not love him mama, no, if you love you right. Same way, opposite. Men, look out for women who are their daddy's girl. Because the first love a woman ever would see in life is the love from her dad. Now make girls who get daddy issues to marry, they had them. Because they are dramatic. But if your dad loves you and you saw love, you're not going to give hate. Because love is in you. Am I making sense? Am I communicating? Now, in Africa, the only thing we have left, we've consumed everything. For our eye, our children, not the naked for social media. It is now a norm. For our eye, it is okay for a girl to post a nude video on Monday. For this one I talk now. For this one I talk about family. That's all. Family is the best. See, let me tell you something here. I am a family. All my life, all I do is family. Family will kill me. Family, why? Family, womb. My wife is my family. My children are my family. But yeah, honestly, the only thing left in Africa is family. Once we lose it, we lose everything. Lately online, weird. Once gay and naked, she done popular. Lately online, once you troll somebody negatively, it gives you traffic. Lately online, once anything negative happens for your page, you get more traction, more followership. It is the world that we live in. And I'm scared for our children where they come. Because now, when I small, when I was 17, before I go see, okay, when you're young, before you see Brazil, this one's with you. I beg. Chooks, come back. For go here, Nigerian comedian steps on Naira. Him money no do pass like this of. AY own, they say they snap AY leg on top 500 naira. He say it's normal. They say your leg gets stretch mark. That is your leg. Please pack. Yeah. No, nobody. Come. Stand here. We go do video. Evidence choke. To avoid trouble. Gonna kill, I'll kill you. We're live in Abuja. They spray me because I love family. This boy who is not my family. Now impact the money. Say something.
Maybe me.
They go. Yeah, it's been saved. It's been saved. Now, Obi Coops, my man, Abana man you be. You broke a record. Till date, nobody don't break that record. Obi, you see, you they bury. You they bury, forget. Obi do burial be like birthday. When I go Obi birthday, Obi bury. You want to know. You, Oga on tap. You want to know. If you go that birthday, I told I go hungry you. If you see burial. See, I love my Igbo brothers. They support each other. They are very intentional. Obi Mama burial. They open WhatsApp group. They add me. As admin. If I see money, committee raised 998 million for burial. They first start with 10 million. Are they there? Are quiet. Now me, Chibunna, when I want set up, ask who know me. Ask all the guests here. Hey. What have I done? I'm a married man. Okay. She will understand. Ask all the guests here where they come our church. I know they give past 400. If you like, jump from here, hit that wall. 400 if you travel, come. If now within 100,000 for Uber. So I maintain that habit for the group. And they call their 10, 5, I did. Near my 400. If you see burial. Now chariot, horse, carry Obi Mama. Oh, Oga. Oyibo, who burial eh? And what this year? I say that if you see burial, you would like to attend, you have to attend, yeah. That one pass. Zenko Mama burial. Committee raised 1.2 billion. Now helicopter. Carry Zenko Mama for up. Carry them. Drop them down for. As they drop her down, they shout, I want more. They say no, in will go. You cannot move twice. In will go. Put them. The committee again, they put me. Trust me. 400. I know the pass. 400. My mama go die 5 years ago. Why she no wait? So funny thing. I go visit my Oga, City Gate for house, with a gist. So he asked me, committee Obi, Egone, I tell her. Committee Zenko, Egone, I tell her. I know saying Mama de Palo the hills. Now the mama look at City. Cheating one. I no go die. Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, social media is weird. When I was young, it was hints and communion, city people. Now there we go find our gossip. So see how it works. If Obi Kubana, they fight City Gate. City go call Obi in our weather on Monday morning. They go publish them next Monday. Obi go grant interview upper Monday. Answer City. Give one in how we are. They will publish them after 2 weeks. So quarter they wait 2 weeks publish. 2 weeks. Now quarter na instant. Now I make the girl for Kenya. They monitor Pascal. Why they follow Pascal? Nothing want to tell me that guy na wish. Once any good thing happen for Chief Priest's life, if Chief Priest broke now, she's fine. Once Chief Priest make any major breakthrough for life, brah, open restaurant, she go on light. Pascal, you just come and carry big belly, they dance up and down, they dance up and down. Come and do DNA. Come and do DNA. I will come up and swear for you. On Tuesday, a quiet. Pascal, continue. I don't know who tell Pascal to drop that in first song. As Pascal drop him, Monday morning, she go again. Pascal! You just be singing up and down, singing up and down. Your son is here. He cannot sing anything for you. Carry belly like your belly. Go in tobudum. Come and do DNA. Upper week. Pascal come Abuja. Follow the video. Go greet president. Pascal come go kneel down, greet president. Inote, Kenya here. Pascal come here on Saturday, 9 p.m. That girl on light on Monday, 9 p.m. Pascal! It's just they need and they beg people. Just begging. Your son for Kenya cannot chop. I am begging to feed him. Come and do DNA. Okay. After that one, and Pascal, success too, they follow him. So every week they do something new. The next week, Pascal buy a new motor for your wife as birthday gift. Pascal don't press post for Instagram. The post never go. Nairobi, don't get report. On light. The next one, Pascal. He just they buy motor. Your son here be entering Okada in Kenya. You see this nyash, you will not see this nyash again in your life. Last week, Pascal dropped new single. Song was sweet. He dropped song, boom, summer song, everywhere scatter, boom. The girl, on light, now she no talk. She dropped single. Who carry Chief Priest, yo? Who carry Pascal, yo? You know, go make him, yo. You know, that guy now wish. Now wish. Now, ladies and gentlemen, where Jeff? My man, I see you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Nollywood has evolved, right? Do you watch our films? Nollywood. Your country, when they do film, your country, when I do have like a film industry in your country. Oh yeah, what's that film? Money Heist. It's a Spanish series, right? Yeah, you guys did a good job. Professor, good actor. You see everything quick before it happens. Good. Here, our professor, Pete Edochie. He doesn't die in film. If he die, he doesn't fall down. He fall on the chair and die. Yeah. He has a son, Yul Edochie. Yeah. The father, Lion, Yul, Okuko. Yeah, Okuko. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Throughout Nigerians, very set of unforgiving people. You know, say, you Ledoche at one film last year. Sweet film. The film name na Peter Obi. For the film, they talk like Peter Obi. Hey! You will not try to treat me to me. If you think I'm lying, Comment section, they hail him. You, son of a lion. You, fantastic actor. You are a great guy. One Igbo boy right under. But Peter Obi, no marry second wife now. Very petty Nigerians.
FunnyBone Live.